Good morning, children. Today's topic is the fish market, Mathemagic, Class 5, Chapter 1, the fish tail, on page number 11 and 12. You can see someone is selling his fish here. In this chapter, I will discuss only the fish market, detail of this topic, and rest of the chapter. You can see the fish tail part 3 link you will find in I button above, and you will also find the link of the fish tail part 2, part 1 in subsequent I buttons. And see here a lady which is carrying a kingfish, which is hard for her, but still she is carrying it and selling in the market. And sometime a noisy place is called fish market. Do you know why it is? Why we call a noisy place a fish market? See here, in a fish market, various fisherwomen and fishermen are selling their fish, and several men are buying the fish. So this make this place noisy. So it is a phrase. It become a phrase that any noisy place is called the fish market. Sometime teacher must have said you that don't make it a fish market. Okay, let us start the topic. If it is market, like any market, the fish market, so there must be some product and there must be some rate. So it is fish market, so everything will be fish only. And rate of the fish market. The fish have different rates. So let us see what kind of fish market is this and try to imagine what can be a fish market scene will be. Okay, let us start. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to buyers. Minnie, come here, come here. Take sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Gracie, never so cheap, never so cheap. Get swordfish for rupees 60 a kg. Floramma sells prawns for rupees 150 a kg. Karuthamma sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. Look, Fazila can hardly carry the big kingfish. She says, this fish weighs 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1200. So you can see one type of fish, two type of fish, three type of fish, four type of fish, five type of fish. There are five type of fish and their rates. So let us note their rates. Sardine rupees 40 a kg, swordfish rupees 60 a kg, prawns rupees 150 a kg, squid rupees 50 a kg, 8 kg kingfish rupees 1200. So let us start some questions depending upon this information and try to enhance our marketing knowledge. Let us start question number 1. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Cost of 8 kg kingfish is equal to 1200 rupees. 8 kg kingfish 1200 rupees. So first we calculate for 1 kg. 1 kg kingfish is equal to 1200 divided by 8. Total 8 kg cost 1200. So 1 kg cost divided by 8. So 1200 divided by 8 equal to 150. Cost of 1 kg kingfish is equal to rupees 150. So Fazila sold kingfish at rupees 150 a kg. So you should notice this. I have written answer in a separate line. I am not supposed to finish the answer here. One separate line should be there for answer. Let us take second question. Question 2. Floramma has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Let us take answer. Solution. Cost of 1 kg prawn rupees 150. Cost of 10 kg prawn rupees 150 into 10 because 10 means 150 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150 up to 10 times. So 150 into 10. Repeated addition is equal to multiplication. So 150 into 10. So cost of 10 kg prawns is equal to rupees 1500. Again, I have written answer in separate line. So Floramma got rupees 1500. Question number 3. Gracie sold 6 kg swordfish. Minnie has earned as much as Gracie. How much kg of sardine did Minnie sell? Gracie sold 6 kg of swordfish. Minnie and Gracie has earned same money on that day. How much kg of sardine did Minnie sell? Minnie has sold only sardine and Gracie has sold swordfish. So whatever amount uh, she has sold, we don't know, but earning of both is same. So whatever she is earning must be equal to earning of Gracie, and whatever Gracie is earning will be the cost of 6 kg swordfish. Okay, so let us first calculate cost of 6 kg swordfish. Cost of 1 kg swordfish rupees 60. Cost of 6 kg swordfish multiply by 6, so rupees 60 into 6, that is rupees 360. Earning of Gracie and Minnie is equal, both are earning same, so this rupees 360 is earning of Minnie. Minnie has earned rupees 360. Total cost of sardine, which is equal to total cost of sardine. Total sardine sold means how much sardine Minnie sold is equal to total amount she got divided by amount of 1 unit, that is amount of 1 kg, cost of 1 kg. Total amount was rupees 360, what she earned, divided by rupees 40, uh, rupees 40, that is rate of 1 kg. So 360 divided by 40 is equal to 9 kg. So total sardine sold 9 kg. So Minnie has sold 9 kg sardine. Let us take next question. Bashir has rupees 100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawn. Okay, he has 100 rupees with him, spend 1/4 on squid, and if 1/4 is subtracted, remaining is 3/4. If I subtract 1/4 from 1, 3/4 left. Okay, so if I have spent 1/4 of 100 on squid, then I have spent 3/4 of 100 on prawns. So we have two questions for that. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? How many kilograms of prawn did he buy? First, see the basics of this line. Bashir has money is equal to 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of total on squid, that is rupees 100 divided by 4. 1/4 means divide by 4. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So he spends 1/4 of total on squid, that is he spent rupees 25 on squid. He spends 3/4 of total on prawn. Now remaining, whatever remaining he has spent on prawns. So total he has 100, and how much he spent on squid? Rupees 25. So 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. And on the other side, you can see if I subtract 1/4 from total, remaining is 3/4. So 3/4 is 75. So he has in 25 for squid and 75 for prawns. So let us see how much squid and how much prawn did he get. Let us take this example first. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? Cost of squid is equal to rupees 50 per kg. Thus, rupees 50 gives 1 kg squid. Rupees 1 gives 1 divided by 50 kg squid. Rupees 25 gives whatever rupees 1 will give, 25 will give 25 times more. So 25 into 1 divided by 50. So 25 divided by 50, that is half kg. So rupees 25 gives half kg of squid. He bought half kg of squid. Let us take another question. How many kilograms of prawn did he buy? Cost of prawns rupees 150 a kg per kg. Rupees 150 gives 1 kg prawn. Rupee 1 gives 1 divided by 150 kg of prawns. Rupees 75 will give 75 times of this. 75 into 1 divided by 150. That is 75 divided by 150. That is 1 upon 2. That is half kg. So rupees 75 gives half kg of prawns. He bought half kg of prawns. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you can get more updated videos. Channel name is Alpha Plus Education. Thank you.